Alright, so I'm back with the VR1 here today. Like I said, I was gonna do some adjustments today, pulling the PID gauge out, not out, but opening it up. And then, you know, when you look at this thing, you find new stuff every time. Like, look at this little guy. I'm guessing I can charge my cell phone or something with that. Huh, isn't that slick? Or that's where they do, maybe they hook in from the factory. But today all you do is alcohol wipe underneath here, get under there, right under here, alcohol wipe. Pull these stickers off somehow. Well, it'd be easier if I could set this phone down. Somehow this comes off. It's gonna make me look bad. There we go. So you get that one off. Throw on the ground for now. This one off. Okay. And then you center this baby in here like so. Now something, I'm gonna have to put this phone down to get this in here. Give me a second. Somehow goes like that. Goes like that. That goes in there like that. Sorry, I had to look at my ceiling. I have no idea what's up there. Lights. Alright, shove that in there. Whoops. Looks like so. Just goes in there. Make sure it's around that. I guess that's all it is. And then stick that on the top. It shouldn't come out. Seems like it is though. No, it's stuck. There. Now you can put your cell phone paperwork. This. All your good stuff in there. According to this glove box liner from Polaris. No tools required, so that's garbage. Does it look like that? Well, kind of, I guess. I guess that's how it's gonna go. That's gonna rotate. Why don't that stay in there? I guess that's how that goes. Okay. I guess that's that one. Yeah. Done.